Okay. So question is find if x belongs to 1 to 4. If x belongs to 1 to 4, find range of x square plus x plus 1. ध्रुवा विजिबल है? x belongs to 1 to 4, close bracket. Find range of x square plus x plus 1. Which method will apply? Perfect square method will apply. So first of all, change it into perfect square. What is a? Tell me what is a for this quadratic? 1. So write down a is 1. What is b? 1. What is c? 1. I will change it into perfect square. A times, this is simple quadratic, so we can write x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus d by 4. What will be d, bacho? Minus 3. So that will become plus 3 by 4. Yes, na? Now we'll start from x. How will I start? X is less than equals to 4, greater than equals to 1. I will add 1 by 2. What will get? X plus 1 by 2 less than equals to 9 by 2 and greater than equals to 3 by 2. I will square x plus 1 by 2 square is less. This is positive to positive square. Yes, na? So positive to positive square we can do directly. 81 by 4 greater than equals to 9 by 4. Now we'll add 3 by 4. So answer will be 3 to 10. Directly equals to sign, so close bracket. It's not like when I'm writing solution, then only you are understanding. No, you have to involve yourself in solving the question. Always ready to involve yourself. And when you are going home, devise this all things 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour until you understood, until you understand all these things. Don't go to bed. Okay, na? Don't go to bed. I have also wake up. I also wake up at 8 o'clock. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I will go to bed. Until my work is complete, I will not go to bed. Whatever work is there, that should get complete. Without completing my work, I cannot sleep. Impossible. Very good. 21. At least you all. Yes or no? Understood, na? Understood? Very, very, very good. Let's move to cubic polynomial. Write down cubic polynomial. 3 things I will teach you in cubic polynomial. Is it visible? No, na? Now this is visible. Dhruva? If not visible, now this is visible, sir. Huh? Don't disturb Dhruva. Dhruva was in sleeping mode now. You again that power on. See, lot of thing has 70% thing is going to match from previous. 30% you are going to learn new. And you will say, sir, I understood this whole topic only when you understand previous topics. Okay? So first of all, you know, if I am talking about polynomial, I can write like this. I can define one polynomial function f of x is equals to a x cube बच्चे लोग plus bx square plus cx plus d, and what is condition? A not is equals to 0 and b c d can be anything. It means bc can be 0, bcd can be 0, but a cannot be 0. A cannot be 0. BCD can be 0, yes or no? And you know, if for any polynomial degrees n, how many roots it will have? 3 roots according to the degree maximum. So here if someone is asking you, how many real root a cubic equation will have? फंस गया ना? No. Maximum 3, minimum 1. I ask, how many real root quadratic equation has? 2 is half correct. Na? It can be 2 real root, it can have 2 real root, it can have 0 real root. Yes or no? Both possibilities are there or not? So saying 2, a quadratic will have 2 real root, that is incorrect. Na? A quadratic equation can have maximum 2 real root, minimum 0 real root. Okay? So in cubic equation can have maximum 3 real root, minimum 1 real root. It means one root always exists for cubic polynomial. But in quadratic polynomial, it is not necessary that always root will exist for quadratic polynomial. Gokul? Okay? So what we can say about roots? Maximum root, maximum real number of real root, maximum number of real roots. How much real root maximum? 3. Minimum number of real roots. Write down. 1. Okay? After that, let's say roots are alpha, beta, gamma. So what will be alpha plus beta plus gamma? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will be c by a, and alpha beta gamma will be minus d by a. Write it down, all these informations. So this is relation between roots. This topic you can see na, relation between roots. This is relation between roots. Okay. Now say this, and now I am going to tell you how to find roots of cubic equation. Like how to find roots of quadratic equation. We have formula minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. That will work. That formula will work for quadratic. But there is no such formula for cubic. There is no such formula for cubic equation. Some formulas I have seen somewhere, but that formula is very big, 5 times bigger than the quadratic formula. So we don't teach those all formula to students. Okay? Yes, na? So now the question is how we'll find the roots. Okay? So write down next topic, finding roots of cubic polynomial or cubic equation. That method is known as hit and trial method. I will tell you the total procedure, and that process you have to remember. And you need to always, when I am explaining anything, you need to catch in same way the way it is explained. You do not need to put your extra thinking. When I am saying, keep your one step ahead, yes, you all will do like that. You will do. I am saying ahead, you are going left, right. No, yes, you are going one step, but you are doing it on right side. I am saying ahead means forward you have to move. Half thing you understood, half thing you didn't understood where you have to keep your leg. So if you will take all those things in one go, you can start using that thing in next go. Yes or no? Time will be saved, energy will be saved, faculty motivation will be there, your motivation will be there. And this is how we are going to get into IIT. Yes, na? Yes. Now say this, always listen each step clearly. Suppose I am giving you x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. I am saying find the root of this. Now which method I will apply? Hit and trial method. What is hit and trial method? First understand. Hit and trial method is guess from your own side. Now how will guess, sir? See, this is what I am saying. Whenever cubic equation I am giving you and I am telling find its root, all are listening now? All are listening? No one is outside now? So you have to apply hit and trial method. What is hit and trial method? Put one number from your side, check whether that is root or not. Now the question is, sir, which number I will put? Listen, which number I will put? Start from 1. Put 1, then put minus 1. Then put 2, put minus 2. 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5, minus 5. One root you will find by this method. Other 2 roots we can find with different method. Total 3 roots will be there, na? Let's see. Maximum 3 root will be there. Minimum 1 real root will be there. Acha, when I am saying 1 real root, what about other 2 roots? Other 2 roots are imaginary root. Okay? So see this. So first of all, I will put x value 1. Put x is equals to 1. Tell me what will be this? Put x1 and tell me. Everyone, see here. If I'll put x1, 1 cube, 1 square, 1, 1. What it will become? 4 equals to 0. Is this number satisfying the equation? Satisfying means this sign should be correct. So that sign should be correct. Not correct, na? So this is not the root. Now put x is equals to minus 1. Put minus 1. Minus 1 cube. Minus 1 square. minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. What it will become? So 0 is equals to 0 is satisfying the one root we got. So understood what you have to do. In this way, you have to first find first root. Is it okay, bacha? Is it okay, bacha? Second last bench. You? Correct na? Understood? Janth. I want to see you like your brother. Always remember. I want above that, not below. That student? Huh? Understood? First thing you understood? First step you understood this side, Sudarshan? Dhruva? Understood, sir. Understood. Now, see this. Now I am going to take help of this two. I am going to write these two values. Alpha plus beta plus gamma and alpha into beta into gamma. Both I will root for that cubic equation. So I will say alpha plus, acha, before writing alpha plus beta plus gamma, let's write ABC. What is A? 1. What is B? What is C? What is D? All are 1. How many if you don't know ABCD are 1? Tell me. Purvaz? Where is Purvaz? Why? Cold. Now, remember alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is this? Minus B by A. What is B? What is B? What is A? So minus 1 by 1. That will be minus 1. Understood? Now you will write alpha beta gamma minus D by A. What is D? What is A? Minus 1 by 1 minus 1. Okay? Now, you know one root is this. One root is this. It means alpha you know. Let's consider this is alpha. Now put alpha in both. Minus 1 plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus 1. Both side minus 1 cancel. You will get beta plus gamma is equals to 0. Means other two roots, their sum is 0. Wow. Good na? Now, here. Alpha will put minus 1 here. Minus 1 into beta into gamma is equals to minus 1. Minus minus will get cancelled both sides and will get beta into gamma is equals to 1. It means other two roots beta into gamma, their sum is 0. Product is 1. Their sum and product we know. Okay? Till here clear na? What I have said, same way you have taken it na? You are not going here and there, na? You are not applying your thinking, na? You are not thinking, na, sir, from where we are getting, you don't have to think from where you are getting. Okay, next. I will design one quadratic here. See, this new step is coming. X square. Do you remember, if you know sum of roots of quadratic and product of root of quadratic, how to write that quadratic? X square minus sum into x plus product is equals to 0. Yes or no? How many if you don't know this? Raise your hand. Acha, no problem. Okay. Now you will star mark here and you will write this. In quadratic, I will explain you. So this step you have to remember after finding beta plus gamma and beta into gamma, I will remember this. What is x square minus sum into x minus s into x plus p is equals to 0. What is s? Alpha plus beta. What is p? Alpha into beta. Now both value I am going to put here. That will become x square minus 0x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now other two roots I will find from this quadratic. And that root quadratic formula you know na? X is equals to minus b plus minus root under ba square minus 4ac by 2a. And that is b will be 0. What is a? 1. What is b? 0. What is c? 1. All this value I will put, and you know what you will get? Plus minus root under minus 1 I will get. You want to see the calculation? I will show you calculation. Let's put b0, b0, a1, c1, a1. कौन है वो? So this will become minus 0 plus minus root under 0 square 0 minus 4 into 1 into 1 minus 4. 0 minus 4 minus 4 by 2 into 1 2. Now 0 I can remove. I can simple write plus minus root minus 4 by 2. And this I can write plus minus root under minus 1 into 4 by 2. I am giving all the steps. Plus minus, this I will write root under minus 1 into root 4 by 2. What will be root 4? 2. Cancel and we'll get plus minus root minus 1. So the one root is root minus 1, other root is minus root minus 1, and one root we have already calculated. Minus 1 is the first root, plus root minus 1 is second root, third root is minus root minus 1. These are the three roots of that quadratic, cubic, sorry. Tell me how many of you understood the whole thing? Whole thing you understood? Chaliye, write down. If you have any doubt, you ask me to come at your place. I will explain you. So what is the question? Find roots of x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equals to 0. X cube. You can take help of previous question. You can see the steps. You just see the steps. Oh, bacha. Oh, hero. What are you doing? Go for hit and trial method. See the previous question, how I have done. Nitin is fast. Again, you are getting beta plus gamma 0. What is A here? What is A here? B is minus 6. Plus 6. Achha, minus 6. Okay. Minus 6. Okay. Plus 11. Put comma here. Now you change all these things. You are doing everything correct. Eh? Thinking is correct. And what you are thinking, you are not writing that thing. Okay. So now First of all, I will write ABCD. A is equals to 1, B is equals to -6, C is equals to 11, and D is equals to -6. You will check X is equals to 1 first. When you check X is equals to 1, you will get 0 is equals to 0. It means this is 1 is your root. Yes, no, you got that 1. You check 1. 1 cube minus 6 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6. 1 is the root. Next, I write alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. Really minus times b is -6 and minus of -6 is +6. And many are writing alpha plus beta plus gamma -6. What is alpha? 1. Put 1 here. 1 plus beta plus gamma is equals to 6. Here you get beta plus gamma is equals to 5. Now at alpha into beta into gamma minus d by a. What is d? So minus -6 will be +6. Don't write anything. What is alpha? 1. Beta is beta and gamma is gamma. 1 into beta into gamma is 6. So what will get beta into gamma is equals to 6. Okay. Now I will write x squared. That quadratic equation I will remember. X squared minus sum into x plus 6 is equals to 0. That will become x square. What happened, Nitin? What happened? Acha, you go there. Go third bench. Sit there. Now okay? Now you can see. More you want to go back? Here okay na? You sit there only. Okay? Yes, you have problem. Your face is saying. X square minus sum is 5x plus 6. Now you'll apply the formula. X is equals to minus b. What is b? Minus 5. And you'll take ABC from here for finding that root. Don't take ABC from here. Plus minus root under b square, that is 25. Minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 6 upon 2a, which is 2. So that is 5 plus minus root 1 by 2. That will go 3 and that will go 2. When you take plus sign, that will become 6 by 2. When you take minus sign, that will become 4 by 2. Got 1, 2, 3. हाँ बच्चे. Understood? So when you are going home, sit with your copy. Today we'll provide you video. Open the video and check all those things. Saturday when we'll take exam, we'll give you a question from this. What I taught you yesterday, finding range, that I will give you evening class. Today test. And whatever we are teaching you today, quadratic range, roots of cubic, these are small questions I will generate and I will ask you then next Saturday. And I want total 100, means if 20 marks questions are there, 20 out of 20, I will not stand on 18. Because this we are going to take a very small question from copy I am going to give you. If you understand the question from copy, you can do the question there. And if you don't understand, you come with your copy, you ask the doubts. But we want full 100% from each students that should be executed well in exam. Yes or no? Acha, that much strictness is allowed or not from my side? You tell me. That much strict I can be or not? Are bolo yes or no? Yes or no? You can tell me personally, sir, please don't scold me. I will not tell you anything. Okay, na? If I am talking you very sweet thing, na, it means I am not doing my work properly. That's why sweetness is required to make you feel I am doing my work properly. But when I am saying you have to do this, you have to do that, maybe that will be, you will feel not good, but you take it as our work. That is our work we have to do here. After 2 years, I want to take a rally here. I want to dance here. All faculties are dancing outside when their students are cleaning IIT. I also want to do that. Why I will not do that? Tell me. You all have came name of PW, yes or no? Yes or no? And who is representing PW here? I am representing PW here. So if I will not do my work properly, what will say outside? No, 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 PW is not good. That I don't want to give to my company, na? If I am saying yes, you have to go to home, you have to study, it means yes, sir, I will study. No one forced you to join PW. Na? You know name of PW, yes, that is very good institute. You have all have seen videos. You all know the value of IIT. That's why you joined here. Yes or no? So everything is well understood to you. Only you have to focus. No, 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 no. I will not do any mistake. Yes, na? Now let's learn the next things. Write down factorization of cubic expression and equation. This is very small thing, like quadratic only. It is not. Factorization of cubic expression and equation. Cubic expression. How to write cubic expression? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is cubic expression. I am not going to put equals to sign, else it will become equation. If I have to rewrite this, if I want to rewrite this in another form, how we can write? A times x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma. And this both are same. Suppose someone is asking question based on this, you cannot solve. Then try to solve from this, maybe you can solve. Suppose someone is asking question based on this. Let's say you cannot solve from here. Maybe you can solve from there. So you just multiply all, change it that. So these both are same. Both are 100% equal. There is no difference. Yes or no? Both are same. You can say both are equal. Next, suppose ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equals to 0 is there. Now this become cubic equation. So if you want to rewrite this in another way, so you no need to write a. If you want to write this whole thing again, you can write, no problem. But no need to write a. Simply you can write, sir, x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. Yes, Nadhrua? Write it down. 5 minutes is left. One topic is left. A small thing that I will do. Write down. Domain. Domain and range of cubic equation. Domain and range of cubic expression. Cubic expression is polynomial. Yes or no? Everyone, cubic expression is polynomial. Yes or no? What is domain of polynomial? What is domain of polynomial? Minus infinity to infinity. So what will be domain? Minus infinity to infinity. So write down domain minus infinity to infinity. Range of quadratic. You learned the formula for range of quadratic, na? Yes or no? Yes, na? Everyone. You learned the formula of quadratic. Range of quadratic. Range of cubic is very easy. Range of cubic will be minus infinity to plus infinity. That's all. Write down. Range will also be minus infinity to plus infinity. So this range minus infinity to infinity will be there when domain is minus infinity to infinity. Write down one more that point. Range is minus infinity to infinity when domain of cubic polynomial is minus infinity to infinity. Range of cubic polynomial is minus infinity to infinity when domain of cubic polynomial is minus infinity to infinity, or simply write when domain is minus infinity to infinity. Thank you, everyone.